Hey everyone, Yolanda here. Today, let's talk about a true superfood flaxseed. You know I love sharing simple ways to boost your health, and flaxseed is a real winner. Flaxseed comes from the flax plant, which has beautiful blue flowers. These tiny seeds are packed with good stuff. Think of them as little treasure chests of nutrition. Don't be fooled by their size. These little seeds are nutritional powerhouses. Adding them to your diet is like giving your body a VIP pass to better health. Ready to unlock the power of flaxseed? Let's dive in. What makes flaxseed so special? Let's peek inside. First up, fiber. Flax seeds are bursting with both soluble and insoluble fiber. This dynamic duo keeps your digestion happy and helps you feel full and satisfied. Next, we have omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats are essential for heart and brain health. Flaxseed is a plant-based superstar when it comes to omega-3s. And hold on, there's more. Flax seeds also provide a healthy dose of protein, lignans, powerful antioxidants, and minerals like manganese and magnesium. Talk about a nutritional all-star. Adding flaxseed to your diet can lead to some incredible health benefits. Let's break it down. First, heart health hero. The omega-3s in flaxseed can help lower bad cholesterol levels, keeping your ticker strong. They also help regulate blood pressure, another win for your heart. Next, digestive delight. Remember that fiber power? Flaxseed keeps things moving smoothly in your gut, preventing constipation and promoting regularity. A happy gut means a happier you. Then, glowing skin savior. The healthy fats in flaxseed nourish your skin from the inside out, giving you a healthy glow. Say goodbye to dryness and hello to a more radiant complexion. And that's not all. Flaxseed may also help with weight management by keeping you feeling full and satisfied. Plus, it's being studied for its potential benefits in reducing cancer risk. Ready to add this superfood to your diet? Here are some easy ideas. Smoothie superstar. Stir a tablespoon of ground flaxseed into your morning smoothie for a boost of fiber and omega-3s. You won't even taste it. Oatmeal power up. Sprinkle some ground flaxseed into your oatmeal for a heartier, more satisfying breakfast. Baking buddy. Add ground flaxseed to muffins, cookies, and bread recipes for an extra dose of nutrition. Remember, it's best to grind flax seeds before eating them to unlock their full nutritional potential. You can buy them pre-ground or grind them yourself in a coffee grinder. So there you have it. Flaxseed is a simple, affordable way to boost your health and well-being. Give it a try and see the difference for yourself.